I don't need to change the world. I just have to change my mind. Nobody else can fix the leaks that only I know how to find, that keeps me damp and makes me inclined to forget to remember what I need to leave behind. The outside I can try to manipulate, shape it to my taste, spit in the face of fate, but no matter how hard I fight, if the feeling of ease does not spring from inside, it'll never translate enough to keep me satisfied. So I'd better get a focus that can notice subtleness, be a lot more like a lotus, float above the messiness, inhabit a space that takes me within, inside, to the deepest reaches of my soul, so I may be totally satisfied, gratified, merely to be alive. Within, inside, exists and shines the finest vibration, the highest sensation, sparking appreciation and realization. What other invitation elevates one's station to a place beyond all and every expectation? Once I request to become a regular guest, there's no better destination for me to reside than within, inside.